Take video on the 1200-pound Bushranger winch that I just had installed. We'll just really run through how to use it, and it will just be in one take. So any mistakes, any errors, this is what you see is what you get. So firstly, what we're going to do, open up this little guy here. You can see in there, this is just to release the winch. Unhook. That's simple. What we'll do, we'll just, for this test, obviously I'm not recovering anything, but we'll just quickly pull it out, lay it down, come back, we will lock the free spool, put it back to engaged, come around to the vehicle. So here I've just got the airway switch board that I had installed as well. Just got a button put on here, says battery isolate. Click that. That actually turns the isolator off for the winch. Take the controller, hold in the on button for about 5 seconds. You'll see a green light flash on. There it is there. Once that's on, come over to the winch. Just on this one hand, so it's a little bit difficult. And then in it goes. So yeah, the Bushranger 1200-pound winch. Haven't had a chance to use it in anger yet, but I'm sure it won't be too long before that happens. And yeah, hope you enjoyed that quick little run through on how to use it. Thanks for watching. Cheers.